Good morning, all. My name is Ekene Onochie, a participant in MMM. I want to share with you about MMM, its ideology, how it works, the rules and regulations of MMM. MMM is a community that is built on principles of mutual aid and benevolence. MMM doesn't keep money, but simply join together people willing to provide assistance to those willing to receive it. Therefore, MMM can't go bankrupt. The main factor of MMM success is the continuous progressive growth of the active members of the community who actively engage in the development of the system. MMM is a global mutual aid community where members donate money peer-to-peer to each other. MMM only connects the donator to the receiver. How MMM works. People who want to join MMM register on the website and they get access to personal office called PO. After registration and adding of their account details, the member makes requests both to provide assistance and receive assistance of the selected amount. Thanks to the automated programming, MMM connects those who want to get donation to those who want to donate it. Possible Mavros, which is the name of the currency used in the platform, grows by 30%. That's 30 days in a month. After 2 weeks of payment, you can decide to take part of your money or all of them, depending on what you want to do. Rules of MMM. Assistance given one member of the community to another is non-repayable donation of money. Participants should donate only non-critical sum of money, spare money. Participants share ideas and goals of the MMM commonly. Members of the MMM community should be kind and honest to each other. Participants of the community have no legal but moral responsibility to each other. MMM is not engaged in any form of investment activity. Multiple registration and creating of multiple accounts are forbidden in MMM. One participant can register only one account. MMM is not a corporation or a business project. MMM doesn't have any bank account. It is a donation that is done between participants. There's no central account in MMM. Benefits of MMM. One is referral bonus. MMM encourages the participants who actively develop and popularize the community by referral bonus. You get 10% from all donation of the participants you invited. Managers bonus. Members of the MMM community can become managers, create their own multi-level structures, and get bonuses from all contribution of the members of their structure. They can get 5% for the first level, that's the people they invited. Second level, the people they invited, and so on. Registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receive a bonus in the amount of $20, which can be translated in naira as 6,000 to 7,000 naira as a bonus for participating with $50 and above. Then $50 bonus also for participating from $500 and above, and then $100 for participating from $3,000 and above. Bonus for video. Having got donation from the members of the community, you can make a video where you tell the story about how you got it. That video, when your face is showing in the video, you get 5% of the donation made. When it's only audio, you get 3%. MMM is a great place to be. MMM is helping life, changing lives, and giving lives a meaning. Long live MMM. MMM pays. If you want to get more information concerning this great platform, you can contact me through my email, ekeneonochie@gmail.com, or you can call my number 08034579296. MMM pays. Long live MMM.